Hello guys, welcome to my channel Teach Something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix cannot set default printer with error code 0x00000709 in Windows 10 as well as Windows 11, 7 and 8. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all in the search box type a registry editor. So open a registry editor, right click run as administrator. After opening the registry editor, first of all select the ASCII current user and expand it. After that, find out the software and expand it. After that, select a Microsoft and expand it. After that, find out a Windows NT. Now here is the Windows NT. Select it and expand it. After that, select the current version and expand it. After doing this step, scroll down and find out a Windows. Now here is the Windows. Now right click on a Windows and go to your permissions. After doing this step, click on a add button and type a name is everyone. Click on a check name. After that, click on OK button. Select the everyone and check a full control. Okay guys, select the full control as well as read. Click on apply and OK button, and after that close the registry editor. After close it, go to your control panel, go to your device and printers, and after doing this step, go to your printer and scanners and select the printer. So select the default installed printer using read point. So in my case, vet cannot be installed the printer. When you install the printer, then you can select the default printers. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.